Language focus.
Mommy, I read a poem in the classroom. I don't know the meaning of dawn. What does this mean?
Noor, dawn is a noun word and it means the first light of the day. You can see here too.
Mommy, what is the meaning of adopt?
Choose to take up, like cat adopt sometime happy mood or sometime bad mood.
Kids, we read some rhyming words in the poem like night, white, fed, head. Now it's your turn to tell me pairs of rhyming words.
Light, height. Chair, hair. Best, rest.
Perfect.
Learning to spell.
Maria, today we learn a poem about a cat. Do you remember the spellings?
Yes, you can ask me, dear.
What are the spellings of dawn?
D-A-W-N. Dawn.
What are the spellings of chair? C-H-A-I-R. Chair. Now you tell the spelling of stretch.
It's S-T-R-E-T-C-H.
Stretch. Yay! We remember these words with spellings. Kids, now we will learn about possessive adjectives. I will tell you the first possessive adjective, then you have to find out the possession words in the sentence. Like this. She is Amna. These are her dresses. Do you know what are possessive adjectives? Possessive adjectives show a relationship or ownership like my, our, your, his, her, their. They always come before noun like my toy. My is adjective and toy is noun. Therefore, here, her is a possessive adjective. Now it's your turn, kids. He's John. This is his ball. Zan, tell me the possessive adjective and noun. Teacher, his is possessive adjective and ball is noun. Great. One more. This is our family. This is their house. Noor, please answer.
Ma'am, in this sentence, it's there is possessive adjective and house is a noun.
Very good, kids.
Use of commas.
Junaid, come here and write what you like to eat in fruits.
I love to eat apples, grapes, mangoes, and bananas.
What? Junaid, I think you forgot the commas. Do you know, kids, why we use commas? We use the comma to separate 3 or more words in a series. I will put the comma for you. I love to eat apples,
Comma.
grapes,
Comma.
mangoes, and banana. Now, Noor, it's your turn and come and write. My best friends are Sana, Sara, Ikra, Asma, and Isha.
My best friends are Sana, Sarah, Ikra, Asma, and Isha.
Very good. Creative writing. Kids, we have learned a lot about pet animals. You all love pet animals? So write 5 things about your pet in your notebook. Like, what is the color of your pet?
Brown.
What is her favorite food?
Meat.
What is the color of your pet's eyes?
It's black in color.
At what time does the cat sleep and play?
My cat sleeps with me at night, and when I wake up, she also wakes up and play with me.
Where did the cat have a rest?
She rests in my bedroom under the table.
Happy learning, kids. Go home and practice all the things you learned today. Take care. Allah Hafiz.